Hello, good morning. Thank you for being part of this video. I'm very happy to welcome you. It is my pleasure to connect with you today, and I will be talking about a particular topic that will really interest you, something that you are going to gain one or two things from. So, quickly, if you are new to this channel, I will advise you to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that whenever we create a new video, you can be able to be notified. So, without further ado, without wasting much of our time, I would like to quickly talk about why do people hate Mondays? Why do we hate Mondays? Everybody, we love to enjoy our weekend. We love to do easy things. We love to flex around. We love to do a lot of easy things. Nobody love to engage in a very hard task. So because our body doesn't like anything hard, so we always like something easy, something very cool, something that will not give us any stress. And that's why you see a lot of people working for other people, or people that are even doing their businesses. They don't really like Mondays. They don't really like Mondays because they see it as a day that is going to give them some kind of stress. They see it as a day that they are going to fight traffic, they are going to be on the road, they are going to engage in in different new task. So they have to meet their target, they have to go after businesses, they have to go after customers, they have to prospect, they have to close deals, close sales, and a whole lot of things. Compare Monday with if you can compare Monday with Friday, Saturday, Sundays, you discover that a lot of people don't really like their Mondays. So we don't like Monday, and I don't know why. Because, and the reason why we don't like Monday is that definitely, I don't know, because we hate to do difficult things. We hate to do difficult things. So, and that is the major reason why many people hate Monday. That's the reason why people hate Mondays. I don't know if I can get it on the search. Is it on the search? Wow, absolutely. You can see 8 very real reasons people hate Mondays. I can even find it on the search. You can see, take a look at it. 8 very reasons people hate Monday, and why? Why do we hate Mondays? So I think I just picked this topic from my head, from my medulla oblongata. I don't know that is even a very popular topic that a lot of website, a lot of blogs, they have written very valuable contents about why people hate Monday. Let's quickly look at the one written by Inc.com. They said 8 very real reasons people hate Monday. Let's quickly take a look at it and see why and the reasons people hate their Mondays. Let's take quickly look at it. Now, this is what we mostly like to do. We don't really like to, some of us, we hate we don't want to see our alarm clock disturbing us, waking us that it is Monday, you have to jump out of the bed. So now, let's look at the first reason. You got a full night's sleep and yet you still feel tired. So this is a very clear indicator that sleep is not the problem. The problem is you are not emotionally invested in what you are doing. Personally, I really want to agree with this first point. So because if we take a look at sleeping, we discover that we enjoy a lot of we derive a lot of enjoyment in sleeping, and we derive a lot of enjoyment in doing when we are not engaged in one particular task, especially productive task. So when we don't engage in a productive task, when we are doing unproductive things like watching TV, playing with our children, playing with loved ones, doing things that actually don't really come from our hearts. So this is what a lot of people love. Because but when you are emotionally invested, when you are emotionally inclined with your success, with your dream, with your desire, and maybe you wanted to do something that you are passionate about, definitely you will always love to show up, get out of the bed, take your shower, and go after your dream. Definitely. Let's quickly look at the second reason why people hate Monday. The second one is you did not prepare yesterday for today. Yes, this is a very good point. Very good point. Very good point. Because a lot of people, we just spend our Friday, we spend our Saturday, we spend our Sunday without preparing for Monday. We allow Monday to catch us unaware. We allow our Monday to catch us unaware because we don't prepare for it. Because we've been programmed to do easy things, to enjoy life, to flex around, to debate over politics, to debate over sports, and to do a lot of easy things without knowing that life become easier when you do difficult things, and life become difficult when you keep doing easier things. Yes, yes. So that is why we need to prepare a day ahead before our normal day. So if on Sunday you've never prepared for your Monday, definitely whatever, when you wake up on Monday, it will be the day will be strange to you. You will still be thinking you are still on weekend, and you know you may not even need to. You don't even feel happy. You feel tired. Your body is not going out and all those things. So, and before you know, you will be lagging behind. Failure to prepare means you are preparing to fail. So, and Monday are only overwhelming if you did not take Sunday to get all your ducks in a row. Yes, if you did not take your part of your Sunday to prepare ahead for your Monday, definitely there is no how you can have an exciting Monday because you never prepare for the Monday. All you prepare for is to enjoy watching TV, watching movies, playing with your kids, with your wife, with so many things, and you don't even remember that yes, Monday is coming, so that you wake up, go after your dream, go to work, go to your businesses, and impact life. So they say everyone else hates Monday too. Yes. So if you find yourself always hating your Monday, you are not the only person. There are tons of people out there who hate Monday. A lot of people, that's why they used to say, thank God it's Friday, because they know that it is that Friday that they will start taking rest from the previous work they have done. And when that weekend comes in, nobody wants the weekend to go away because it is something that we enjoy so much. We enjoy weekend so much, but we don't know that it is waking up on Monday, going out to hustle, to work on your businesses, to chase your dream, to go to your work. It is the best thing that makes us enjoy our weekend. If you don't have a good or productive weekdays, there is no how you can have an exciting weekend because it is that weekdays that you use to make money. It is the money you make during your weekdays that you spend part of it to enjoy your weekend. So you can see the reason why you need to take your Mondays very serious. You need to take it very serious. Let me see another point before we move on. You are not doing something you love. This is another good reason why you will always hate your Monday. Most especially if you are not doing what you love. If you are not passionate about your business, about your work, you will always hate your Mondays and the rest of the weeks. So if you are being forced to work at a particular job, or you are just working at that job just to put food on your table, and you don't necessarily have any passion, you don't have any interest, you don't have any desire for that job, definitely it will affect your productivity. And whenever you are waking up to go to that job or to go into that business or whatever, definitely you feel tired. You will not be motivated, you will not be inspired. Yes, and that is the reason why you need to always do what you love. If you are not going to wake up feeling excited to go to a job and you don't genuinely enjoy, if you don't enjoy what you are doing, so it is a clear reason, it is a clear indicator that you will always complain, you will not always like what you are doing, because definitely what you are doing, you are not interested, you are not you don't have that burning desire to, so that is why you don't enjoy. When you don't enjoy what you are doing, or you don't love what you are doing, or you are just doing it for money, definitely it becomes a burden to you. And whenever you have to wake up and go after that job or that particular business or that hustling or whatever, so you will not always be happy, you will not always be happy. So another good reason, that's why I always advise people that you should always do what you love. Yes, if you do what you love, you will, even on Sunday, yes, even on Sunday, you like to go to your office, do what you are doing. Yes, on Sunday you always love to do it more, do it again and again. But if you hate what you do, when it is Friday, you'll be shouting and be screaming, thank God it's Friday, thank God it's Friday. Because of what? Because you don't love what you are doing. If you love what you are doing, every day becomes Saturday. That is it. Every day becomes Saturday. If you are passionate and if you are exciting about what you do on a daily basis, there is no reason why anybody need to push you, to force you, or there is no need to wake up with clock alarm on a daily basis. So another good reason why people hate their Mondays, that social media either hates Mondays or crushes Mondays. Yes, you see people posting, sharing a lot of things about Mondays, and you see a lot of boosts on Instagram, Facebook. So people hate Mondays because they hate doing difficult things, they hate going on traffic, they hate stress, and they don't actually love what they are doing. So that is my opinion, and I know that is very true, because as per me personally, because I love what I'm doing, sometimes I open my office on Sunday, come to my office on Monday, because on Sunday, because I love what I'm doing. I wake up in the middle of night and still work on my business, because of what? I love what I'm doing. Every Monday, I'm so happy and I'm so glad to come to my office, because I love what I'm doing. If you don't love what you are doing, or you are just doing it for money, definitely it becomes a burden to you. It becomes a stress, because you don't love it. Yes, because you don't love it. But if you love it, definitely you will always like to do it on a daily basis. You will always like to wake up in the night and do it, help people, expand your business, promote your business, advertise your business, and attract targeted audience. So that is why it is very good, very good to ensure you inculcate the habits of loving what you do. If you don't love what you do, definitely there will be problem. In fact, you will not be able to put the necessary energy that will give you substantial results into your business. So a lot of people, they don't like Monday, including other weekdays. So another reason why people hate Monday is that you don't enjoy the people you work with. Yes, if you hate your co-workers, or you have grudges with your co-workers, and maybe you don't love your boss, so, or you think you are being underpaid, so maybe you have been demanding for a pay rise for a while, and it is not granted. So there are a lot of factors, so that may make you to hate your Mondays and other weekdays. So that is the reason. So if you don't love the working environment, or you don't love the people you are working with, so there are a lot of, it depends on what is currently happening in your working environment or with the people you are working with. So those are the things. So, and regardless of how you feel about the work, it can be very difficult to take satisfaction in doing something with people who don't bring you positive energy and vice versa. Yes, So there is no how you can derive maximum satisfaction when you are working with people that are not in line with your own personal likes. So that is how some people don't really enjoy working in a particular environment, because they don't really work with the people, with the type of people they're supposed to be working with, or with the type of people they love to be working with. If you are working with the wrong people, definitely it makes that job to be boring. It makes that business to be boring, and you will not be motivated, and definitely you keep complaining, you keep shouting and screaming on top of your voices on a daily basis, and at the end of the day this will seriously affect your productivity. Yeah, so this is how far I can go on this video. I think I've been able to give you some important tips on why people hate their money, but my biggest advice I'll give you is that try as much as possible to cultivate the habits of passion, love into anything you do. So if it is worth doing, yeah, definitely it is worth doing well. So try to engage in something that you know you love, something that you know that, yeah, you have passion for it. Because as soon as you develop that habit of knowing, loving, and having a great passion for what you do, definitely that thing, it will no longer become a job or a stress to you, but it will become it's going to become like a hobby. Assuming you like, if you love playing football, definitely whenever you are playing it, you don't see it as a job. If you love playing football, table tennis, it becomes your hobby. It becomes something you wanted to do on a daily basis, either on Monday or on any weekend. So try to cultivate the habit of love or passion for whatever you are doing, either your job, your business. Try to love what you are doing. If you love what you are doing, it definitely become a hobby, not a job. So this is how far I can go with this video. I'm very sure that you've been able to achieve one or two things from the tips and the secret I've been able to share with you. So don't forget, if you love what we are doing in this channel, try to hit the notification button, try to subscribe, hit the bell notification, so that whenever we create a new video like this, you will be able to be notified. I remain yours sincerely, Oladele. Thank you.